Ever heard of Scoby? My exact reaction when a friend popped the same question to me 3 years ago. Now, to many, Scoby is an acronym for symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. But to my team and I, Scoby is food for soil and a replacement for petro-plastic. Hi, I'm Eb. Join me as I show you how. The deal. We are selling a biodegradable seedling bag to seedling plant growers at €5 per 200 ESCO bags. Our beachhead market is Kiambu, which is our residence, hence it will be easier for us to reach out to our potential customers. We'll be selling to 100,000 seedling plant growers, and we are anticipating to generate €1.5 million per year. We'll be operating in the beachhead market between 2022 to 2025. We'll then move to Kenya after 3 years and then East Africa after 3 years. Our customer value proposition. We are giving a 17% cost reduction against our petro-plastic competitors, and our other advantages are the ESCO bag doubles up as organic manure, hence it improves the soil fertility. There will be no littering of used bags, and then it's time and energy efficient during transplanting. Our product. We are blending sugar and tea leaves to create cellulose, and then from there we use it to create the ESCO seedling grow bag, which is environment friendly, 100% biodegradable, and we also be patenting the biofabrication process. Our customer discovery. We interviewed 30 seedling plant growers, and the key questions we asked were how much they are paying for their grow bag, how many times they apply manure, and how easy is it to transplant the seedling. And the key insights we developed were the higher purchasing cost, the need to apply manure lots of times, and the need to collect litter from petro-plastic. Our financials. Our net price is €5 for a unit of the ESCO grow bag, and then our cost of production is €2. That leaves us with a profit of €3, and with 500,000 products per year, we'll be able to generate €1.5 million per year. Our key drivers are the cost of the product, the price of the product, and the number of customers. The climate impact. We found out from our research that the production and usage of petro-plastic bags emits 2.5 kilos of CO2. With 50% of our beachhead market, we may save 1,250 tons of CO2 emissions per year. Our able team entails Njeri Njoroge, who is the founder, with 9 years of experience in agribusiness; Abel Ebwamalwa, the co-founder, with 4 years of experience in engineering and fabrication; Ake Siata, who has 3 years of experience in product design and digital marketing; and Andrew Okello, who has 15 years experience in manufacturing. Our dream is to offer a competitive replacement for petro-plastic bags, to generate €1.5 million per year, and to collaborate in the agroforestry business through sustainable mentorship programs.